Hey, Caraboom.com, we're here with Foreign Sound and all of its members. So, let people out there know who you are one by one.
I'm Julio Jimenez.
I'm Miles Dawson, rhythm guitarist and vocalist.
My name is Dominic Roll. I'm guitarist. Nah, I'm the drummer and I'm the other vocalist.
Fabian Fountain, bass guitars.
So, how did you guys even get into doing rock?
I think all of us individually already liked rock. We have our own backgrounds in rock and other kinds of music too. And so when we met each other, it was just really nice to find other young musicians who wanted to create new rock music, original rock music. So I could speak for all of us when I say I think we all kind of already liked rock and other genres of music too.
But then, how did the band even get together?
How it actually happened, it was basically a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend, and all of us had this common interest for basically music. And from certain tweaks and certain connections, I would say, we actually, us four got together and work out some stuff, and it turned out how we are right now, which is pretty good.
That's a simple version of the story because the actual version of the story is that me and Fabian, we were in a band before, the band had split up and everyone had gone their separate ways, but me and Fabian were really good friends, so we stayed together for a while and we kept playing and we kept saying, we want to get our band back on track and stuff like that, and then we was looking for another guitarist, and then we met Julio through a friend of a friend of a friend, and then
Okay, we got to your story.
right, so that's how his story comes into play, and then a friend of a friend who was our old drummer, he recommended Dom, highly recommended Dom, and then that's how we met with Dom, and that's everyone. So that's how the band started.
Alright, that's a nice story, I guess. So, do you have any recorded songs or anything out there?
Well, we're working on an EP. We already have we've already written about 15, and maybe shy, but it's maybe 15 or 16 songs, something like that. But yeah, that's already, it's pretty much an album. We have done a few test recordings, nothing official, but so we have done a few things. But for now, we're still trying to get those songs recorded.
Okay, so if anybody sees this and they be like, hey, let's record with Foreign Sound, is there anywhere they could contact you?
Yes, we have a Facebook page. You could like it. Please like it. You could share it with your friends, and you could support us. And we're also here at Volume Music Bar on Mondays. So if you want to see us personally and talk to us, you could just come here and talk to us in person.
Okay, so would you like to show the people out there what they're actually working with? Like, show them what y'all have.
Okay, we'll role play an acoustic version of one of our original songs called Cold Winds. My heart started running. I should have seen it coming. The day love disappeared. It was so deserting. I can't stop the hurting. The cold wind blows out. The cold wind blows out. The cold wind blows out. The cold wind So why'd you leave me here? Did you care about me? Did you even think about me? Oh, oh. And now these bitter tears, will they continue falling? And you remember nothing. The cold wind blows out. The cold wind blows out. The cold wind blows out. The cold wind blows. Do you remember anything? Do you even remember me? I could burn by your cold flames that blaze. Oh, oh. The cold wind blows out. The cold wind blows out. The cold wind blows out. The cold wind blows.
Oh my God, that was great. So, before we close out, let the people out there know who you're chilling with.
We're chilling with caraboom.com.